Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Welcome to the course Pakistan Studies 2059 Paper 2. Today I am going to give you a lecture regarding part 2 of the chapter Power Resources of Pakistan. In it I am going to discuss regarding the types of energy resources. So let's begin with energy resources. So the first one is wind energy resources. Advantages of wind energy resources are available due to flat areas of Indus Plain. It could be installed in coastal areas because it is quite windy over there. It is pollution free and it is cheaper once it is installed. Disadvantages of wind energy resources are lack of experts, lack of government attention, expensive to install, nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is power that is released from atoms. It is the most powerful source of energy. It is the energy that powers the sun. In atomic fission, energy is released when the atoms split into their constituent parts, like neutron, proton, or electron. It is used for production of steam in boilers for electricity. Advantages of nuclear power stations: produces large output, it is reliable, small inputs of raw materials like uranium is efficient, long lasting fuel, fossil fuels running out so reduce burden on other fuels, less pollution is caused and it is also environmental friendly. There will be less need for load shedding. Disadvantages of nuclear power station: expensive to buy fuel like uranium rods, expensive to build, lack of technology or skills, difficulties of maintenance, dangerous or risk of radioactivity, unpopular or local opposition, disposal of waste is a problem. Thermal power station: electricity is produced with the help of fossil fuels, natural gas, oil, and coal. Fossil fuels are used to produce steam in boilers which rotates turbines, which then turns shaft quickly into a generator within a magnetic field, so electricity is produced. Hydroelectric power stations: at HEP stations, electricity is produced with the help of water. How is electricity produced? Water of reservoirs passes through the dam very quickly. It goes into a narrow intake pipe which rotates turbines, which then turns shaft quickly into a generator. Within a magnetic field, provoking electricity to be produced. How is it transmitted? From transformers of HEP station, electricity goes onto transmission lines on natural grid which are either underground or overhead. Then onto local supply voltage is adjusted. After the adjustment is then transmitted to domestic and commercial consumers. Physical conditions for construction of dam: wet climate or high rainfall for more water, cool climate for low evaporation, deep and narrow valleys for easy construction of dams, steep sides for easy construction of dams, large catchment area for more water, impervious rocks to reduce seepage, hard rock for firm foundation of dams, areas of glaciers so that more water is available after melting of snow. Main HEP stations or dams and their locations. Tarbela on river Indus, Mangla on river Jhelum, and Varsak on river Kabul. Solar energy resource. It is the energy produced with the help of sunlight. As you can see in the picture, you can see the picture of solar panels. Advantages of solar energy: 250 to 350 sunny days in a year, continuous days, very rare continuous rainy cloudy days, pollution free, cheap, suitable for rural electrification and small users. Disadvantages of solar energy resource: expensive to install, not suitable for large users, lack of technology, lack of experts, lack of government attention. Biogas. Fermentation of cow dung produces methane gas, which is used for production of electricity. Advantages of biogas: it is cheaper, efficient disposal of waste, suitable for rural electrification or small users. Disadvantages of biogas: air pollution as it is a greenhouse gas, not suitable for large users, can lead to shortage of natural fertilizers, the import of chemical fertilizers increases. Why are renewable resources important to Pakistan? Fossil fuels are expensive. Fossil fuels are running out. Many fossil fuels like oil are imported. The price of oil in international market is constantly increasing. Nuclear energy is dangerous and its waste are difficult to dispose. Renewable resources are pollution free. Renewable resources are cheaper. Nationalgrid. It is a network of long transmission lines and transformers to transport electricity to domestic and commercial consumers within different areas of the country through road centers. Problems: long transmission lines are difficult to install or construct, difficult and expensive to maintain. Line losses due to friction or heat losses. Thank you. I hope that you have understood today's lecture. Allah Hafiz.